How to verify your email on SHEIN account. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now navigate to the Me page. Click on the Me icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, at the top right corner you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to settings page. Now hit towards the option Manage my account. Now click on the option of email. You can see that I haven't verified my email address yet. Now what you have to do is click on the option of verify. Verifying your email address will gain you 100 points. A confirmation email has been sent to you. Please check the link in the email to complete verification. Now what you have to do is open your mail and check it. You'll be receiving mail from the SHEIN. You have to open that mail and click on confirm. And just for that, your email will be verified. So this way you can easily verify your email on SHEIN. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.